Today I want to talk about micro-targeting inside of your Facebook advertising. I'm Scott Oldford, and the omnipresence strategy that makes the most sense is micro-targeting the right person at the right time and at the right place. Micro-targeting is really the ability to target people based upon their engagement or their actions inside of your online platforms. This is your website or your emails or your videos, really everywhere where your content is. See, when people are looking at certain types of videos or certain types of content, it kind of can give us clues if and where they're to when it comes to how relevant we are. If somebody's on your, for example, sales page for over 5 minutes, then perhaps we want to retarget them a little bit more, do we not? Or perhaps we want to show them testimonials in the Facebook newsfeed. If somebody's watching all your YouTube videos and watching to completion, we want to perhaps target them a little bit differently, do we not? If someone's looking at your about page or how you actually have the process, well, perhaps we want to reintroduce that process to them again. See, I believe that it's really important for us to be able to have micro-targeting. So some of the campaigns that we have inside of our business is, for example, after someone visits our sales page, we retarget them with a specific set of 12 different ads over 14 days. If they watch one of our testimonial videos to the end, we retarget them with other testimonial videos for another 14 days. If they are, for example, on our about page or our website and they haven't downloaded our lead magnet, we target them with our lead magnet, our 6 steps to 7 figures for about 2 weeks. You can get really creative with this. You can get how far they actually viewed down the page, how much time they've actually been on the page. A lot of really interesting pieces of micro-targeting. Now, one of the key elements of this is utilizing a tool called Connect.io. That suite of applications by my good friend Wilco allows you very effectively and very easily to micro-target people at the right time and in the right place, utilizing the principles of omnipresence. Then if we add that to being able to utilize the right Facebook ad types, such as page post engagement, reach, page clicks, as well as conversions, we're able to easily target our entire audience in a very simplistic way, but by things that are actually relevant. And then we can actually change the tone. We can change the message. Because if people know that we're kind of watching them a little bit, we can have a little bit of fun with it. We can spend far less money and get far more results. Because the game is no longer how many leads can I generate. The game is how few can I generate and be able to get the highest level of return from it. And I believe that that's what micro-targeting is all about. Micro-targeting is not the future of online advertising. It is the now of online advertising. But let's bring it a step further. We know that content magnetizes people. We know that content pulls people in, do we not? Well, instead of just having retargeting in this sales process, we can utilize content to retarget people in the entire marketing funnel. So think about if your email indoctrination funnel connected to content ads that were on Facebook as well as YouTube. What if someone literally couldn't get rid of your message, allowing you to bring them from understanding your process and methodology, to seeing you as the authority, to bringing you to the point of showing the actual solution? And because of the fact that people don't consume and buy right away, we're able to start developing a relationship, an intimate relationship, in a one-to-many way that works each and every day, bringing people closer and closer towards being able to buy from you. So, if you're not doing this, ensure that you are. I have some really cool resources for you, but more than anything else, if you want to get Connect.io from my good friend Wilco, so you can start utilizing this, I've put together an awesome deal for you so you can get the entire suite and start today on being able to complete some of this omnipresence micro retargeting. I'll see you next time. So if you enjoyed this content and you want more of it, make sure you go ahead and subscribe And if you want other entrepreneurs just like you to be able to also access this information, this knowledge, make sure you go ahead and share it with someone that means the most to you. Remember, as entrepreneurs, it's our job to be able to help other entrepreneurs continue to elevate, allowing us to evolve society and evolve our world. I'll see you next time. Bye.